last period we used the method of separation of impurity from the given solvent by a method which was called as filtration. There what we did, we prepared a saturated solution, then we cooled the hot filtrate, then crystals came out and all that. Today त्याच methodology ने I will explain to you example. Example, filtration of salt. Filtration of sodium chloride. You know the sodium chloride, आपण म्हणू ना काला नमक, not the one which is highly crystallized. ते कॅप्टन कुकचं सांगत नाही मी तुम्हाला, असे काळपट जर असं दिसतं ते, that is called काला नमक. Okay, so filtration of sodium chloride, what do? You take salt, you take water in a beaker, you take water, you add salt to it and you stir it with a glass rod till the water becomes saturated with salt. Saturated meaning काय? If I go on adding salt, initially all the salt gets dissolved in water and after some time the salt will remain as it is. That is called saturation. You have prepared this. Then what do? You heat it. You heat it. You heat it. This is called hot filtration. You heat it and then filter it by using a normal funnel. Filter it by using a normal funnel and a filter paper, due to which the undissolved impurities get removed off or stuck to the filter paper. पहिला गरम करायचा, you have to make it hot and that hot solution, saturated solution, should be poured through the funnel to which a filter paper is stuck. The insoluble impurities get stuck to the filter paper, leaving behind the filtrate, which contains salt, which contains water and which contains soluble impurities. Insoluble impurities have been removed because they get stuck to the filter paper. So, students, what do? You take salt plus water in a beaker, stir, prepare a saturated solution, heat it and pour it through a funnel which is fixed from within by a filter paper. Insoluble impurities जे आहेत, they get stuck, or the impurities which remain undissolved, they get stuck to the filter paper. So now the salt is free from the impurities which do not dissolve. Take this filtrate and place it over an evaporating dish. साधी काचेची बशी असते मुलांनी एवढीशी. That is called as an evaporating dish. You place it over an evaporating dish and allow it to cool. What happens when you allow it to cool, students? Crystals of salt separate out, leaving behind the water and the soluble impurities. Crystals of salt are just come out on the evaporating dish. Then again pour the mixture in that evaporating dish in another funnel containing a conical flask. What happens? The crystals, pure crystals of salt, get stuck to the filter paper, leaving behind the filtrate which contains only and only soluble impurities. Here what we removed, students? Here we removed insoluble impurities. Filtrate contains salt and soluble impurities. Again you allow it to cool. Crystals of salt came out, they got crystallized, and again pour it over the funnel containing filter or attached from within by filter paper. जे crystals of salt असतात, they get stuck to the filter paper, they are removed and allowed to, there again students, let me clear, then water is allowed to evaporate. leaving behind the filtrate which contains soluble impurities. Ends the job. बघा किती इझी आहे. Very easy. Take a beaker, add water, add salt, stir it and prepare a saturated solution. Heat that saturated solution and pour it through a funnel attached with a filter paper. खाली filtrate साठी funnel ठेवा, beaker ठेवा, काही ठेवा. You place a conical flask. Below the funnel you can place anything. Conical flask you place or a beaker. The insoluble impurities get stuck to the filter paper. Filtrate is removed. Filtrate is allowed to cool by placing it in an evaporating dish. Filtrate which is cooled, crystals of salt separate out and again it is poured over the funnel such that salt crystals in extremely pure form get stuck to the filter paper, leaving behind the soluble impurity. Ends the job. Now we will discuss another. This was crystallization. Now we will discuss an important method, another method of removal of impurities, that is fractional crystallization. What is this fractional crystallization? Here we are taking two solutes, A and B. Fractional crystallization involves two solutes, A and B, which are soluble in the same solvent C. C is a solvent at same temperature, but solubility of A is different from solubility of B. कळतं? This typical method of fractional crystallization is used to separate two solutes which are dissolved in a solvent at same temperature in same quantities, but the level of solubility is different. Maybe A is highly soluble, B is sparingly soluble. That's it. That is how you select two solutes which are of different solubilities and we dissolve them in the same solvent. करने का क्या? Take this solvent which contains the two solutes A and B and heat it. Heat it, what happens? Filter it out. You just heat it. You let me tell you, solvent should be a suitable one. Here we are involved in separating two solutes from that solvent. Temperature is same. Both the solutes are soluble but to different levels. बघा करायचं काय? First of all, the mixture is heated, poured over the funnel, filled with attached with filter paper such that the dust particles or the impurity gets stuck to the filter paper. म्हणजे now this solvent with these two solutes is free from insoluble impurity. फिर करने का क्या? Take an evaporating dish, pour the solution which is free from insoluble impurity. Allow it to cool. The substance which is highly soluble, first as the level of solubilities are different, A will crystallize out first. Let me say A crystallizes out first, leaving behind B in the solvent. Crystallize झाला, finish. What do? Students, separate this A by the same process. Pour it over a funnel attached with a filter paper. A is attached to the filter paper. A is removed. Left out is what? B and the solvent. Again pour B in another along with the solvent in another evaporating dish. Allow it to cool further down. B crystallizes out and then B is also separated by using a funnel and a filter paper. करते हैं? Fractional crystallization involves the separation of two solutes dissolved in the same solvent at same temperature, but their solubility levels is different. Heat them. Remove the insoluble impurities by using the method of filtration, that is funnel and filter paper. Take an evaporating dish. Pour the solution. First, let me say A crystallizes out as its solubility level is different. B is left behind. A is crystallizes out. Pour it over the funnel. A stuck to the filter paper. Job is over. B remains in the solvent. Allow it to cool further. B also crystallizes out, students. Once B is crystallizes out, remove it. Left is only solvent containing soluble impurities. Ends the job. Clear? This is what is called as fractional crystallization. Next we will enter into distillation. Students, distillation मध्ये we separate two important solutes which have different boiling points, or the solute and the impurity, or we'll put it like this: the solute is highly volatile, impurity is involatile. Highly volatile solute dissolve in a non-volatile impurity. How do we do that? That will be in the next class. Done, students? For today, we'll stop. We'll continue tomorrow again.